eyeshadow palette. This is the Beauty Glaze Color Broad palette, and you can definitely see you will get these 4 big pans and you will get these much shades, which is really great. So you can definitely check this palette, and it costs you about rupees 1500, which is a huge investment according to the color story and according to the pans. So yeah, it's a plus point, especially from my side. Okay, so now let's move on. First I'm going to use this white color to set your eyelid. Okay, it's totally up to you. You have to set your eyelid or you don't have to set your eyelid, that is totally up to you, but I love to do that, so that is why I'm doing it. That is totally up to you, and you can see the difference after setting your eyelid with the white color, because it always makes your shade very long lasting and very easily blendable. So that is why I always use the white shade. See, okay, so now let's move on. So for the eyeshadow I'm going to use this orange pan, like this one. Oops. First I'm going to use this color, this light orange color. I'm going to place it on my crease area like this. Okay, it's orange color, but in the mirror it is looking like it's a yellow color, but it's not the yellow color, it's orange color. I'm going to apply the darkest shade of orange color, which is this one, on my crease line. Okay, wait, I'm going to use these two colors. I'm going to apply it on my outer V and on my crease line. Now blend the shades very fine. Now I'm going to use this purple pans. I'm going to use the darkest shade of this palette. I'm going to use this shade, and then I'm going to use this shimmer shade. Okay, first I will apply this matte shade as my base color for that shimmer shade. Okay, first tap all the pigments. Okay, so for more intensification I'm going to use this base. Okay, this is from Bridal. I'm going to tap it over here. So the white shade, which is very pigmented, this is the Mars Cosmetics palette. All the palettes of white shades are not that much pigmented, but this one is really good, so I highly recommend this palette. If you want to buy, grab it, because the white intensity is amazing of this palette. Okay, so next I'm going to use, we are going to draw angel wing eyeliner. Okay, so now let's begin. First you need a very liquid and high coverage eyeliner. I'm going to use this blue heaven one. Obviously it's not waterproof, but I like to use this because it is having very intense blackness, and the tip is very comfortable to use, so that is why I always use this eyeliner. And first I'm going to apply right from here where my eyes are getting fold. Okay, okay, and next like this one, make it more down, and then just curve it like this. So this is the eyeliner. Now what you have to do, just quickly grab a round small brush like this, use the black shade very quickly and blend it with this black liner. And next for the lower lash line, I'm going to use this khaki green color. It's a matte khaki green color, and just look at this eyeliner, it is looking stunning and I'm loving it. Okay, I'm going to use the shimmer purple color, like this shade over here, just to add more of it. So the color is done. Next I'm going to use this glitter. This is the purple glitter. I'm going to use it right over here on the purple eyeshadow. Use the shimmer shade from the same palette. This parrot green glitter on my tear dot, like on my lower lash line here. So white eyeliner is done, so you can definitely go with any kind of eyeliner. If you have very broad eyes, use a white liner, and if you have very small eyes, you can definitely also go with white liner. And you can definitely go with colorful liner, pastel colors as well, because the light colors always give you the pop and up effect. So that is why I always use the white liner, and if I need very smoky eye makeup, so I always go with the black one, and if I need some colorful, then I will go with the colorful liners. But most of the time I will go with the white kajal. So you can definitely go with any mascara, and I will write back by popping up my mascara and my eyelashes.